Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Trailhead explanations. In this video, we are going to cover unit create a role hierarchy from the module data security. So as the name of this unit suggests that create a role hierarchy. So we are going to do the same in this unit's challenge. That is, we are going to create a role hierarchy by creating roles. So we have three roles on our table whose name and other details like label and to whom it reports to. All these details have been mentioned for all the three roles that we have to create. So let's just quickly launch our Trailhead Playground, which I've already done here. Going to Home Setup page, in Quick Find, type role, and it will filter out an option roles for you under user section or heading. Click on the role option. Now here, just we have to skip this, click on Setup Role button. Now, here you can see that there is some hierarchical structure present on this layout. So if you can see that there is some icon or button which is expandable and collapsible, just again CEO and anonymous. So if I'll click on this plus icon or button, or I expand this CEO options, so all these CFO, COO, SVP, human resources, sales and marketing, all these roles reports to CEO, as all these five roles comes under CEO, right? So there is one more such role that we have to create which reports to CEO. So I will be copying this label from our challenge, Chief Sales Officer. Going back to this role hierarchy setup, we have to create a new role under CEO. Just click on this add role button, or if I'll just collab this, it will give you an option over here. So click on this add role option below CEO and paste the name in the label text area. Name will be auto-populated and this role reports to CEO is just apt as per our requirement mentioned in our challenge. Now click on save and new as we have two more roles to be created. Going back here, the next one is sales strategy manager, which reports to chief sales officer. So here in the label text area, paste this, name will be auto-populated. Now this role reports to chief sales officer. So click on this lookup icon or the magnifying glass like icon over here. Now from this window, we have to select chief sales officer. So this role reports to chief sales officer. Click on save. Now next one, we have to create a training coordinator. And make sure while copying these labels for these roles, make sure that you do not copy any extra spaces. Otherwise, you are going to get an error at the time of checking the challenge. So the third role is training coordinator. So I will be copying this and going back to setup. I have to create one more role. Okay, so now this role reports to sales strategy manager. So I will go to we are already in sales strategy manager, and we will go back to roles again. Click on setup role button. Now here, if you will see that our second role was sales strategy manager, which reports to chief sales officer, this first role which we created. So if you will go to chief sales officer role, you will find a role under this heading as sales strategy manager. So going back again, we have this chief sales officer. And if you will click on this expandable button against chief sales officer, you will find sales strategy manager just below that. So we have to create our third role, which reports to sales strategy manager. So click on the add role button just below sales strategy manager and paste the label of training coordinator over here in the label text area. This will be auto-populated and this role reports to sales strategy manager. So while creating the second role, I just clicked on save button. That's why I have to go to roles option again. Otherwise, you could have clicked on save and new again here and change the uh, reports to option from this lookup icon like we created or like we changed for our second role, right? You can do that from here as well. So click on save again. So we have created all these three roles. And if you will go back to here in roles and see, you will find the hierarchical like structure for all these roles that we have created. So we created three. So chief sales officer reports under CEO, and sales strategy manager reports to chief sales officer. And if I expand this sales strategy manager plus icon again, sales strategy manager, you can find training coordinator just below that, right? So we have created these roles. Just go back, and now it's time to check our challenge to earn 500 points. Let's just wait for it to give out the results. Hopefully we should be able to pass our challenge. There you go. This unit has been completed. See you in the next video with another unit. Till then, take care. Thank you.